prima donnas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Velitra, I'm the crafty black girl. You guys, thank you all so much for 2K subs. I appreciate it so much, you guys. So today we are talking about African waist beads, you guys. So these African waist beads are so helpful in weight loss and in maintaining your weight. And this is what they look like. If you've never seen them, you wear them around your waist at 3 different points, as you've seen in the picture that was previous. And basically you can wear the waistline, the hip, and the lower hip, you guys. And as you lose weight, these beads will fall lower, and if you gain weight, they will come up higher. And that's how you will know that you are gaining or losing weight. They will get tighter or they will get looser, and this will help you to kind of know where you are without having to always jump on the scale. So you guys, it is the beginning of the year. I'm getting back on my health goals, and so of course I have started the year with a new set of waist beads. So just showing you the ones that I have for anyone who's interested. These are the colors that I have. They come in sets of 4. So a set of 4 is $50. So that will give you room to have 2 at your upper waist, 1 at your like mid waist, and 1 at your lower waist. So these are all of the colors, you guys. You literally just tie these on, knot them on, and you wear them. You shower in them. They don't fade. These are Ghana. They're actually from Ghana. These are 100% real. They're not plastic. They're not from Amazon. They're not from China. These are quality waist beads, you guys. I've been wearing mine for a year now, actually a little over a year, but I just changed my set. So I decided to bring this to you guys, to my prima donna community. You guys, I know everybody's here for crafting and gift baskets, but I know some of you are also on health journeys, and some of you are looking to maintain your health and maintain your weight, or either lose weight and improve your health. So these will help out a lot with you knowing where you are. And you guys, if you gain so much, you guys, guess what? They pop. They will literally pop off. I've had that happen. I've had one pop. I've had them even pop if I was doing too much activity in the gym. They will literally tell you where you are without you jumping on the scale. So yeah, these are the styles that I have, you guys. If you guys are interested in ordering these, you can DM me on Instagram and let me know how many you want. They're $12.50 a piece. If you want just a few, you don't have to buy 4, but they do come in a set of 4 for $50. So 4 of them is $50. Each one is $12.50. If you get more than 4, which I wear 6, then you can just let me know you want 6. So yeah, this is what they're looking like, you guys. Let me know down below if you have any questions that I did not answer, you guys. And here's the information here. Instagram is the Crafty Black Girl, and you will pay through Cash App at $Velitra. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you all so much for 2K. I appreciate you guys so much. Until next time, stay crafty.